Alrighty, I just set up the camera, waiting on the alarm to go off at 12:55. It's 12:53, maybe 12:54 right now, so we should only have to wait another minute or so. Once it goes off, I'm going to just start drilling rounds right in here. We'll see how many rounds it takes to shut off this alarm clock. With a Benjamin Armada 22 caliber pre-charged pneumatic air rifle, shooting H&N Barracudas, 21.14 grain. I'm at about, I might even be about 15 yards here. Catch my breath here, huffing and puffing, making videos. Let's see if I can adjust this just a slight bit. There we go. Too much. That's pretty good right there. I got 10 rounds in a mag lined up and another mag right after it. Hopefully I turn the alarm to on and I'm not wasting a bunch of video. Safety's off. I'm just going to go right here. I would say within the next 20 seconds. Alright, well the alarm should be going off any second. If it doesn't, then I didn't turn it on. I'm slightly concerned. Safety's off. It's going off. Well, it turns out you can shut it off with the first round. So a pretty effective way of shutting off your alarm clock. I mean, if you're 12 yards away and you don't want to get out of bed, you don't want to worry about the snooze button, you just want to shut off your alarm clock, 12 yards is all you need to be. Alright, well, that was anticlimactic. Better put some more rounds into it just to make it look a little better for the camera. Now there's 10. Soften her up a bit. Let's go take a look. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Sadly, it only took one round.